I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared. I am starting YouTube again. As you could see, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared that I'm starting this again because I don't want to not do it, and I feel like sometimes when it gets rough or when I feel like I'm overwhelmed with a lot of editing, it's hard for me to want to continue. At least that's been the experience that I've had before, and a whole lot of other things. But my hopes are to give you guys a lot more YouTube videos this year, and I'm just really excited because I feel like this is a whole new chapter of my life, a whole new season of my life, and I want to take you guys on the journey with me. So I'm really excited, and I hope you guys can support me and just continue to give me all the love that you guys already do. So yeah, let's get cleaning. So the loudest thunder and lightning is happening right now. And you know what? Don't give me crap. I'm a Californian. I'm not used to this. My dogs are scared, and I have to check on a neighborhood cat that lives in our shed. So Okay, so today we have some errands to run. I got ready. This is my outfit. I tried to show my outfit in my mirror, but I feel like it doesn't give like the same effect. And I was trying to find like a good spot to really show you guys this outfit. But I'm in need of a tripod, so this will have to do. So yeah, we have errands. Come along with me, or us. We'll see if we do anything kind of exciting today. You're still yelling at her through this video.